Once upon a time, in a big green field, there lived 4 cows. These cows were the best friends and did everything together. They ate grass together and drank water together. As long as they stayed together, no other animal could hurt them. In that same field lived a clever lion who wanted to eat the cows. The lion knew he could not do anything as long as the cows stayed together. He needed a plan to separate them. The lion talked to the jackal, the hyena, and the vulture, asking for their help. The jackals agreed to separate lies. The hyena promised to create trouble and help the lion. The lion's plan began. The jackal whispered lies to the cows, telling each one that the others were saying bad things about them. The hyena made scary noises and caused problems near the cows, making them feel scared and unsure of each other. Slowly, the cows started to believe the lies. They began to distrust each other and thought it was safer to be alone. One by one, they decided to go their separate ways. The lion watched and waited. When the first cow walked away from the others, he attacked. The cow, now alone, could not defend herself, and the lion ate her. The other cows, now alone too, did not realize what had happened. Days went by, and the lion continued his plan. Each time a cow wandered too far, the lion attacked. Soon, only one cow was left. The last cow realized that splitting up was a mistake, but it was too late. She was all alone. Finally, the lion caught the last cow and ate her too. The once strong and united cows were all gone because they had separated.